Well, my friends, welcome aboard. I'm going to vote for Maxime Bernier in the next election. PPC, the People's Party of Canada. Now, one of the things that is being brought up, and this is just me putting forward my own ideas or my own thoughts. This is not official party policy or anything like that, but I am a member of the PPC. Now, let's talk about healthcare. Healthcare is a very important subject. A lot of people think that we have a great healthcare system. You know, oh, we just love it. It's free. It's not free. That's a misconception. We actually pay for it in our taxes. That's who pays for it. The federal government collects our money, taxes us, then they give money to the province, and the province gives it to the hospitals. What do we hear all the time? Poor funding, poor funding. So what's great about our system? People are out in the hall, people are out in the hall. What's so great about our system? Oh, there's long waits, it takes a year to get this done or that done. What's so great about our system? We all love our free system that's not free. We all love our free system that's not working very well for us. Perhaps we should consider something else. This big argument about one tier. You know, one tier. Well, what's wrong with two tiers? What is wrong with private enterprise and doctors being able to make a living? Because I'll tell you something. When a doctor does an operation that is not in the first tier and he gets paid for it by that individual, that takes pressure off the government system. It makes the government system easier. People that have no money and have to wait for the long lines should be grateful that there are doctors that will be able to do minor operations. And I can tell you there is a two-tier system, because my first wife needed a treatment that was $25,000 and she was going to have to wait a year and a half to start the treatment. Because I paid for it, she was able to start the treatment immediately, which was good for her health, and it was all done. Also, my son got a hernia a couple years ago trying to lift a skidoo on the back of a trailer, and there was a private clinic that could do the operation. It cost me $1,700, but he had it done the next week. He didn't have to wait 6 months. So private systems are okay. Now, the system that we have, you know, it's not the greatest, you know, especially when it comes to taking care of old people. You hear about bed sores and they're left sitting in the hall by themselves for hours and hours and hours. We even had, well, this is not the system, but a crazy nurse killing old folks a while ago. I mean, anyhow, that's different. But the thing is that they've done questionnaires and they find out that people in France are the happiest people in the world about their health system. And it comes out of their pay. Well, that's honest, right? You know it's coming out of your pay. Here we get taxed and they say, oh no, it's not coming out of your pay. Come on. We're paying for it and it's not that great. Over in France, they get their dental done, they get all their prescriptions paid for, they get every procedure paid for. You know? We don't get it here because we only have this one-tier system, and we love our system. You know, Canadians are like sheep, you know, like they're told to bleat and they do bleat. The system is not that great. So anyhow, I would say that we would be better off considering having a two-tier system where people can get service immediately, save their lives perhaps, have all their drugs paid for, have their teeth fixed. What is wrong with this private system? It's honest. You pay for it when you pay your taxes, I guess, on your job. It's not cheating you or anything else, you know. So anyhow, that's what I have to say just off the top of my head. We can have a better system. A two-tier system is better. Get your teeth fixed. It'd be good for you. You won't look like me. Okay? Get all your drugs for free. Oh, drugs are great. It's good to get them for free. Yeah, that's what I think. So, if you want to get a better health system, one that works, vote for Maxime Bernier, PPC, People's Party of Canada, in the next election, 2019. We'll take care of you. We'll take care of you. It's okay. Have a good day. Have good thoughts.